Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 117 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you a quick update. I'll link up a video on the screen right now of when I moved the tree, or when my son and I moved the tree. Let me show you the previous location. So right over here, now he planted bachelor button flowers right here. And I'll do an update on that later on so you can see what the flowers look like. But we moved our genetic tree over here. Now we pruned it back heavily. You can see the big cuts right over here. This is a genetic or Green Sour Persian Plum. You can see they're ready to be harvested. So you eat this unripe. These are unripe. If you wait till they ripen, they get just really sweet. There's no flavor and they really just fall off. They're not really that good of a fruit ripe, much like a Granny Smith. I've had a Granny Smith ripe and it tastes just sweet and bland, but obviously tastes pretty good when it's unripe. That, for those that don't know, that Granny Smith is an unripe apple. But anyways, so these are genetics. You just put a little bit of salt on them and eat them. So they're about time to harvest. But this had a hard time. Remember, I had to prune back and had to dig it up. So there's a lot of dieback on the tips. And you can see there's no growth. There's barely any growth on some of these branches where I might just trim them back. You can see, just struggling. So I don't want it to stress. And I kept the caraway thyme. There's also some of it still there. You can see it right over there. But I kept the caraway thyme to help protect the soil, so it could keep moisture in. This is a beautiful, beautiful trailing culinary herb, really. Beautiful smelling herb. If you like caraway, plant some caraway thyme. You can see some here. You can see how it's struggling. I didn't have that much dieback last year. But let's take a taste. You can hear how crunchy it is too. One moment. Of course. One moment. Yep. Delicious. Oh, that's really good. That's actually the best I've ever had. It's like a little bit of sweet and sour. Usually it's just sour. Perfect. Well, happy gardening, everybody. We gotta eat the rest of them with the family, of course. Bye.